Today, I'll show you how to add a wipe transition to your videos. This transition is perfect if you want a clean and smooth switch between two clips. First, import two videos into VN and place them side by side on the timeline. Between the clips, you'll see a plus icon. Go ahead and tap on it, and you'll find all the available transitions. In the base section, look for the wipe transition, tap on it, and you'll see it applied instantly. Now, you'll also notice a duration slider at the bottom. Slide it left to make the transition quicker or right to make it slower. Here's the cool part. If you tap on the wipe transition again, you can switch between four different variations: wipe up, wipe down, wipe left, and wipe right. This gives you plenty of flexibility depending on the mood or style of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a wipe transition in VN Video Editor. Play around with the directions and timing until you get the look you love. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick VN video editing tips.